factual. I've been in office for three years and 3 months, okay? If we have arrested 100 criminals, non-mafia, kidnappers, and so on and so forth, 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. Did you hear me right? Yes. I said 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. So these things are made because that was part of the lie that was put in propaganda. They are into kidnapping because it is the next lucrative business after Yahoo and drug. The next one for find is about kidnapping.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Wednesday, the 9th day of July 2025. In this video, I am going to respond to the statement of Professor Soludo, the governor of Anambra State. He made that 99% or more or less 100% of the terrorist activities in the southeastern part of the country, especially the Anambra State, are being carried out by Igbos. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why Soludo was so confident, so bold to make such statements. So stay with me in this video to the end. Let us dig into what transpired. Is this statement true or false? At the end of this video, you will understand whether what Soludo said is true or not. Now, take a look at this video. This video is not a new video. I have this kind of video 10 in my files. These videos are the videos of terrorists that were apprehended in the southeast, particularly in Anambra State. Take a listen.
What is your name?
Musa.
Musa. Musa who?
Musa.
Who?
Musa.
Musa who?
Musa.
What is your father's name?
Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay, your father's name is Ibrahim. Musa Ibrahim. Where are you from?
Oka.
Oka. What do you call you can do?
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping. Now you dey kidnap people from is from Okabi?
Yeah.
Oka. What do you call you can do? What did they do? What did be your work? What did be your work?
May I kill him? Eh?
What did be your name? What did they work for here? Babu English ko?
Bring Tambeka. May I paru munkamaka? May I paru munkamaka? What you have will catch you? What do you do?
Muntaone. Muda bokana mukama.
Kana woka na magana kana magana banza.
What is your name?
Musa.
Musa. Musa who?
Musa.
Who?
Musa.
Musa who?
Musa.
What is your father's name?
Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay, your father's name is Ibrahim. Musa Ibrahim. Where are you from?
Oka.
Oka. What do you call you can do?
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping. Now you dey kidnap people from Bakoya.
I follow this man. I ain't do kidnap for this area.
Okay, now this one they do kidnap for this area.
My brother called me here.
Okay, now brother call you.
Die go run.
Okay, that go run.
That one roll.
The one where you name? The one where run? Where you name of the one where run?
Mason now one day.
One day good.
Yeah, Mason.
Ali.
Eh? Ali?
Yeah.
Okay, your brother name Ali. The one where run? We shall have start this work.
How many time now? Which time I start this work? How many years now?
Mimi do beno de wana tunga kirani.
How many years?
Wana tunga kirani na tona.
Okay, this one will catch you now you don't do before.
Who be Oga? Who be Oga? Who be Oga?
Die go run.
You go run.
That one where they run.
Okay, that one where they run. Maybe Oga.
We go on a top two now. Why did you lie?
One day good.
Oga.
Who be Oga?
That Oga why the girl gone. He there for Oka. Now in get Oga this boy. Why the do knife for here? Now in the get gone. Now in the do knife for this area. That Oga he there for Oka now.
What the name of the man? What your name?
Okay.
I don't know. As this my name, Oka.
You don't want to tell me your name?
Umar.
What is your Oga name?
Umar.
Umar who?
One day go to Ali Sunanji.
Ali?
Yeah.
Yeah. couldn't
You
go.
don't go talk through.
No one say.
You go talk through.
Yahweh, no one say.
Now, this is just one of the videos I have. You know, I know that times like this will come. So it's important that whatever that is happening today, we keep records of them. Not even articles and so on and so forth. And apart from all these videos, I want to challenge Chukuma Soludo and other politicians in the Southeast who think that the people who are terrorizing in the Southeast are only Igbos, okay? I want to challenge them to go to Enugu State. They have offices on local government area, all those rural areas, camps, all those places that all these terrorists have taken as their own. I want to ask them to go there by themselves. If they can go and return back, I will believe everything they are saying. The terrorists have already taken your lands. They have already started hijacking your, communities and states. And you are here trying to be, politically deceptive, because this is all about politics. You want people to like you. You want people to defend you from all across Nigeria in case there is any problem, so that your godfathers who are not part of your kindred from the Southeast will always defend you at Abuja. All those things doesn't make sense at all. As I speak to you now, there are so many places that are under the terrorists in Igbo land. And what are you saying? The evidence are everywhere. So what Soludo is saying is absolutely false. When I mean false, it's just deception. Now, I want to let you know the reason why Soludo made this statement. Even as I speak to you now, I will show you the video of what is happening in Ekunlobia today. The terrorists have invaded Ekunlobia. They are shooting, they are killing people because of the statement Soludo made. The statement Soludo made is already killing people within 48 hours. Now, let me tell you why Soludo made such statement. Soludo formed a vigilante group, formed a security outfit in Anambra State. The security outfits, are breaching the fundamental human rights consistently. I have posted this video time without number. Right from the day they inaugurated them, when they were shooting up, they shot a market woman who was just passing by. Instantly, she died. Till today, these people have been killing people. They have been committing all sort of, arbitrary treatment against innocent people. I want to challenge Soludo. Everyone you people have arrested, I mean your security outfit, name how many people you people have charged to court. Not the ones they said your security outfit allegedly thrown into the river. They turned one of stay into prison yard. They handcuff people. They are not feeding them. All sort of atrocities. These people have never been found guilty. They are innocent. Because even the people that arrested them knew that they are innocent. If not, they could have even taken them to court. So, the innocent people, you are threatening their rights. You are taking their fundamental human right from. I hope they are not the one you are saying that they are the 99% of people who are terrorizing the Southeast, because these people, you said that your security outfit said they found them on the road in the night without even knife and gun, or they were looking at them with bad eyes. So, is that the people you said they are terrorizing the Southeast? No. What you said is absolutely false. There is no atom of truth in it. And if it is because of politics that is making you to say this, I want to let you know that it's just about 4 years if you will be re-elected this year. You will spend the next 4 years and you'll be out of office. First of all, think about where is Obiano and the rest people who finished as governor of Anambra State that did not do well to their people. Where are they? Calm down and think. All these terrorists parabolating in the Southeast, there is no doubt, I'm not going to exonerate that people who are kidnapping, that part of them are not Igbos. But there is a difference between normal kidnapping. I use the word normal not because kidnapping is normal. The reason why I use the word normal, because there is a kidnapping situation all over the country that has nothing to do with the insurgency, with the terrorism that is going on. That one could be termed as crime. There is a difference between crime, in my own term, there is a difference between crime and terrorism and insurgency. Now, if you look at the Southeast situation today, even before this thing started happening, if you ask me, is there any Igbo person that are involved, or Igbo people that are involved in kidnapping? I will say yes. Of course, I will say yes. But that does not mean that you will come out to say that the whole Igbos, 90 or 99%, that is 100% of people who are terrorizing are Igbos, of which you know that foreigners, terrorists are invading Enugu, Ebonyi State, Abia, Anambra, almost the whole places. You are just driving to a point where you don't want them to release Nnamdi Kanu. That is the point you are driving to. You made a statement before that releasing of Nnamdi Kanu has nothing to do with Southeast insecurity. Now you are a governor. The insecurity in Anambra did not change. There was a time it seems like they went to break, but now everywhere is still boiling. Maybe the fear of, the rumor you people are hearing that they're about to release this man. Maybe the fear is making you to tremble. I don't know. But it's not going to go well if you continue to stand against your people, accuse them falsely. If what you said is true, people who are annoyed or worried about your statement, let them go to hell. But as far as what you are saying is not true, you see there is a repercussion to it. It might come now, it might come next 10 years. If you don't understand what I said, go and ask God. Now, I want you to watch the video of what is happening in Colombia because of what Soludo said.
Jesus Christ, they just trust person here. Oh, Jesus, see person with the inside. When you cause up, we need to make on. It just got way. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh, Jesus Christ, they just trust this person. Oh, they couldn't stay safe. Oh. Ọkwọkwa onye Ajos pụta n'ụtụtụ abịa mee ihe agbawuo agbagburu mmadụ na-abụ. We never even reset amara ndị ọzọ agbagwu. Ka everywhere dey hot.
Factual. I've been in office for three years and 3 months, okay? If we have arrested 100 criminals, non-mafia, kidnappers, and so on and so forth, 99.99% of them are Igbo. Did you hear me right? I said 99.99% of them are Igbo. So these things are made because that was part of the lie that was put in propaganda. They are into kidnapping because it is the next lucrative business after Yahoo and drug. The next one for find is about kidnapping. Omaka. And this is even other states. If an acquire we do all Anambra. Again, Canana village if I got them on cycle, I join California, I'll be 18 years in a line. I'll buy mafia, how to if I did the also on the Fulani. I'll repeat, and I want you to quote me right. 99.99% of all the criminals, kidnappers, and so on that were arrested so far, Igbos are the ones kidnapping Igbos, they are the ones killing Igbos. All these camps, and by the way, because I came with the same false narrative. The false narrative, the Fulanis, they are invading our people. They are now everywhere. They are waiting for whistle to be blown. And and they will take over. And therefore, we are the ones who are the liberators. We are now going into the bush to go to chase out the Fulanis. Nobody asked the question. They are now banning mafia to go and liberate you. How do they feed 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year? How do they feed? How do they feed? So that you see, like I said, I'm one of you, but I decided to go home. Actually, in '99, I was a visiting professor at Swanham College. Okay? And I remember the last conversation I gave and sent them forth, because from there I moved down here to DC, to the World Bank, where I spent 18 months. I was just leaving and they were having a set forth party. And I remember the chairman of the department wishing that I could spend maybe a much longer time. My response was, a A friend there called me several years to say how my response touched him, a white man. Asked me if God in his infinite wisdom decided in Africa, there must be a purpose. And I couldn't fulfill that purpose in this land. Here, that my marginal contribution to American civilization is next to 0.something%. But my marginal contribution to the advancement of civilization in Africa will be, I mean, you see how your presence elevates the quality of discussion and decisions, and so on. And tomorrow, one of the meetings in that project, when I left Swarthmore to the World Bank, I was a long-term consultant, and we produced a book published by the World Bank in 2000 entitled Can Africa Claim the 21st Century?